how to succeed now with a simple internet business. You're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to succeed with a simple internet business without experience or technical training, and we're starting right now. Hey, I'm JR Fisher. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a living using a simple internet business. Now, if you're new to the channel, I've been selling online since 2009. I've sold millions of dollars worth of digital and physical products, and on this channel I teach you how to start, run, and grow your business. But before we get started, don't forget, join my family, join the Fisher family. Right below there's a subscribe button. Click that button, and you want to turn on notifications. There's a bell right next to that subscribe button. You got to click that bell and then click get all notifications. That way I can tell you every time I do a video. Now, I've got a special bonus for you at the end of this particular video. I'm going to give you a free $97 e-commerce course. All you have to do is click the link and you can go watch those videos and get free training. All right, so let's jump right in with how to succeed with a simple internet business. I do want to remind you of one thing. If you've tried to start an internet business, you've had some successes or failures, whatever they may be, please put them in the comments below so I can help you out and I can see what's going on. If you have questions about how to do any of these things, please put those comments in the section below too. I really would appreciate that. Okay, the first thing I want to tell you, I want to make you feel better. Are you ready? You're not too late. You're actually starting at the perfect time. Now the technology is out there. Now the people are online. Now people are trained to buy online. There are 3.2 billion people, or 40% of the global population are internet users at this point. So that's pretty big. Okay, so you've got the people out there and you only need a small portion of them. There's no better time to take advantage of selling online than right now. Now, here's an interesting statistic. Of the developed nations in the world, 8 out of 10 people in developed nations are online now. So almost everybody's there. And according to ICT facts and figures, 21 out of 61 people in undeveloped countries are online also. So that's some pretty amazing numbers, that you can reach all these billions of people by just posting something online. Here's another interesting fact. 34% of the Fortune 500 companies have blogs on their website since 2008. So they've been doing it a long time. So what I'm telling you is this is about selling online, but you probably want to have a blog on your website, because they found that 97% of the companies that have a blog get more links to their website. And this is a report put out by HubSpot. Now, there's never been more resources for somebody without technical knowledge to sell online. There are so many softwares now that will do a lot of this automation for you. The software that we use is called Kartra, and I'm going to put a link in the description down there. You can try out Kartra. Kartra does the work of 8 different pieces of software, and if you're building your online business, I highly recommend you start with Kartra. Otherwise, you're going to be paying for a whole lot of different softwares and kind of patching them together and hoping they work. If you buy Kartra, you're going to have all of these softwares all in one place. Now, the link I'm going to give you below, you can go there and you don't have to opt in. You don't have to give a credit card or anything like that. You can actually watch a video and see everything it does, and if you like it, you can get Kartra for $1 for a trial. So check that out. I highly recommend it if you're building an online business. Okay, so what are some ways you can make money online? You can sell, number one, information products. Information products are awesome. We sell them too. If you're an expert in your field, or you know just more than the average person out there, you can actually sell information products. There are so many areas you can sell information products. Let's say you're a good cook. You could do cooking videos, or you could have a cooking blog, or let's say you're good at artwork. Let's say you're good at web design. Let's say you're good at graphics. It really doesn't matter, because there's enough people out there now that you can reach the world that you can have enough people buying your products to support your business. And with the softwares and the automation, just about anybody can do this nowadays. So I highly recommend information products. I have courses out there. I have videos out there, and information products have become a really large part of our business. My wife actually has dog training courses out there. I'll put a link below that to one of her courses so you can check that out too, and you can see a variety of different things that are there. Number 2 is ebook writing. Ebooks are nothing more than small captures of information, and it's actually a digital file. So if you have some knowledge in a particular area, ebook is a great thing to do to write an ebook. If you don't like writing, you can go to a site like Textbroker or Upwork and give them your ideas and say, I want an ebook written on this subject. Now the cool thing about ebooks is you can have 1 or 10 or 50 of them, and the more you have, the better off you are, because there's more ebooks for people to purchase from you and more opportunities for you to make money and make a sale. Now here's the cool thing about an ebook. You know, it's not like the olden days where you had to come up with an idea and find a publisher that would allow you to print it and put it in a bookstore and hope somebody found it. It's not like that at all nowadays. You come up with whatever idea you want. You can use Amazon, you can do a Kindle book, you can put it in a PDF file, any way you want to do it, and just publish it yourself and then market the book out there to the audience. And you don't have to have anybody approve your ideas. It's not like anybody says you're going to be an author or you're not going to be an author. Anybody can be an author nowadays. Now I'm going to put on the screen the top 10 ebook genres in 2017. Let's check it out and let's see what is selling. Now the numbers are huge for these. Let's take a look at this. Let's look at the first one, which is literature and fiction. 70 million ebooks with $330 million spent. Check out mystery and thriller and suspense, which is number 2, with 35 million ebooks out there and $187 million spent. Romance, another 50 million with 162 million spent. Science fiction and fantasy, 18 million with $81 million spent in that particular area. Then we come to number 5, business and finance, with over 4 million with $41 million spent in that area. Then number 6 is religion and spirituality. That's 6 million with 41 million spent in that area. Then we've got number 7, teen and adult, with 7 million ebooks out there with $34 million spent. Number 8 is biographies and memoirs, with 4 million books out there and $33 million spent. Number 9, health, fitness and dieting, with 4 million results out there with $30 million spent. And the last one on the list is history, with 3,900,000 and 29 million spent. And I'm sure, looking at this list of the top 10, you can find one of these areas that you could write an ebook in and make some money. Number 3 is affiliate marketing. I love affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing now accounts for 15% of the revenue that is sold in the digital media area, which means of the revenue that these digital properties are being sold, 15% of it is sold by affiliates. So what is an affiliate? Affiliate is somebody who finds one of these products and markets it out there, and they get a commission on it, and they didn't even write it. They didn't do any of this, and they're still allowed to market that particular product and make a commission on it. So I really like affiliate marketing. Number 4 would be print on demand. Now print on demand is awesome. Print on demand is one of the newest things out there that really enables the average person to be able to sell a product and not invest a penny in inventory. And the way it works is these print on demand companies will set it up so you can upload your designs, show it on a t-shirt, show it on your website, and then when somebody wants to buy that product, they actually send you the money, and you get the money, then you send the money to the print on demand company, and they ship out the product to that particular customer. Now you can do t-shirts, you can do hats, you can do mugs, you can do whatever your mind can think of, blankets and towels and curtains and shower curtains. There's so many products out there that these print on demand companies will make for you and ship out for you, and you don't have to invest a single dime in inventory. That's a pretty cool thing. Number 5 is selling digital marketing service. This is where you contact a potential business owner and offer to do some of this digital marketing for them, because they're running their business. They don't know how to do digital marketing, and if you've got some skills in this area, you can actually make money by doing their digital marketing for them. All you have to do is create a successful local marketing strategy for these businesses, whether it be a restaurant or a cleaners or a hair salon or a nail salon, and get results, and you're in business. So if you're doing digital marketing for one of these businesses, you know, you can do SEO, you can do Facebook ads for them, you can do YouTube ads, graphic art design, all kinds of different things you could do for one of these businesses that they don't have the knowledge to do and don't have the time to do. That's where you come in. Number 6 is digital marketing arbitrage. Arbitrage, what's that? Well, let's say that you don't necessarily want to do these tasks. You don't want to do the graphic design, and you don't want to build the web page. You don't want to do any of these things, but you want to make money on doing it. What you do is you contact somebody in another country that can do some of these tasks at a lower rate. We like the Philippines, we like India, we have people in Serbia, all these different countries, and there's people that are very skilled there. And what you do is, let's say you have a $300 job, you find somebody who wants to do it for $150 and you farm that out for that particular business. That business doesn't have time to find all this talent in all these different areas, but that could be your business, is actually arbitraging all these tasks that need to be done for the business. And as far as the business knows, you're doing the work. It really doesn't matter as long as they get the work done and the work is done properly. Number 7 is drop shipping. I love drop shipping. As far as drop shipping goes, we're on both sides of that. Now, if you don't think drop shipping works, think of a company like Zappos, Sears, Wayfair, Amazon, Walmart. All of them are drop shippers. In other words, they're selling products on their site that they don't actually own. Now, I know this to be a fact because I have my survival food products on Walmart's website, and they sell them on their website, but we actually ship that particular product out. So how can you take advantage of this? Well, you can use a company called AliExpress, and you can actually list products from AliExpress on your website. And when you sell one of these particular products, all you do is go ahead and pay for it at AliExpress, and they ship it out to your customer. So you don't ever even have to touch the product. In most cases, there's people out there doing drop shipping and they're paying $2 or $3 for a product and they're selling it for $19 or $20 and just keeping the difference. That's a pretty simple way to run a business, and you don't have to have the big investment into your inventory. Number 8 is coaching and consulting. Now, I know I do some of this myself too. Coaching and consulting is great because what you do is you work one-on-one with an individual. Now, generally this is done on a Skype call or a phone call or someplace you can share the screen. And what I do with my coaching clients is I'll help them build their business, build their website, build their sales funnels, and I charge them a flat amount. Now, how much can you charge is really dependent on your skill level and what your customers can afford. You know, I've charged as much as $2,000 an hour, and I've charged as little as $500 an hour. But it's a really great business if you have a skill in a particular area and you can coach people. There's people out there willing to pay you so that they don't have to go through all the failure steps that maybe you've already been through, and once they see your successes, they're going to want to pay you to learn how to do what you're already doing. I want you to check this out real quick. These are industries that are actually paying for coaching now. Healthcare, 7% of their training is coaching. Education, 4.8%. Management, 3.6%. And marketing, 3.6%. So if you're in one of these areas, let's say you're in marketing right there, 3.6% of the income out there is through coaching businesses on how to do this. So if you have that talent, you can certainly go out and do this. People are willing to pay this now like they never were before. Number 5 is business coaching. That's 3.5%. And the last one on here, number 6, this is the one we probably all hear about, is personal training. People are paying for coaching there. Now, we see this every day. If we go to a gym, we see personal coaches there every day, but we may not have known all these other personal coaching areas were available to us. So you can certainly jump in on that. Number 9 is advertising services. There are 1 billion unique users each month online. Okay, so if that's the case, there's a lot of people out there. There's over 6 billion hours of video on YouTube watched every single month, and 70% of all millennials will say they go on YouTube once a month at minimum. So there's a lot of opportunity there for you to do advertising services. There are actually more than 1 million advertisers on YouTube alone. So if you want to help people make videos or help people run ads on YouTube, it's a great way to do it. Now, number 10 is SAAS Services. What is that? Software as a service. That's another great way to make money online. Now, the first thing you want to do is design and create a program that you could market to people. And you may be saying, well, I don't have the skills to write any type of program, JR. Well, that's easy enough, because you could actually farm that out to another site where people actually do that. There's tons of sites out there, starting with Upwork and many others, that you can find people that will actually write these programs for you, and then you go out and market the program to the businesses or the individuals that need them. Now, I could be wrong. Maybe you're the type of person who geeks out on writing codes and you know how to write these programs. But if you do, that's even better. You can just market them to the business and write them yourself. But there's always that opportunity to have somebody else do it for you. Don't let technology stop you. Just because you don't know how to do something, it doesn't mean there's not somebody out there that already does know how to do it, and you can just hire them to do it for you. The software as a service industry has grown leaps and bounds. 33% of companies use more SaaS applications with 16 apps or more per company. That tells you a little something there. 38% of US businesses have adopted a SaaS exclusive workplace since 2017, which means they're not buying any software anymore. They're just paying monthly to use software from other companies. Now that has doubled since 2016, when only 17% of companies were using SaaS only types of software. They say by 2020 SaaS will grow to a $76 billion a year industry. That's huge. Why not get a piece of that? There you have it, some simple and easy ways to make money online. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it below. If you didn't, dislike it. Either way, give me a response. Now I also promised you at the end of this video that I would give you a $97 course on e-commerce. It's down in the description. All you have to do is click and watch, and you get a free video course. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Fisher family. That's right, hit that button below there where it says subscribe and ring the bell. There's a little bell next to that subscribe button there. I need you to smash that bell and then turn on all notifications so I can tell you every single time I have a brand new video. Now do me a favor, share with me some of the things that you've tried online or the questions you have about trying a business online. Put that in the comments below. I love to get your comments, and I answer every single one of them, so put that in the comments below. I hope you enjoy this, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.